So dudes.
So hey guys, this is gonna be a really, hopefully kind of quick get ready with me for the video that you guys saw on Monday. You already know it's me transforming myself into my girlfriend that doesn't exist. So Winston, say hi.
Hello.
Haley's over there, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, and they're eating. And then I'm just gonna do this and then I'll eat. So
I'm just gonna like lay out the makeup first.
yeah.
Anyway.
Oh, I can just, let me get the table. This is my second time, I think, applying lots of Abby makeup on my face. These are makeup brushes. You're not a booty guru. I don't know what's in here. Makeup.
That's makeup.
And
It's
then
no sort of makeup.
and more makeup. None of this is mine, this is Haley's. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, yes.
Oh, the 88 matte palette. Oof.
And now I'm by Chatty, that's why I brought it. That's my Bubs palette.
Ooh! Ooh, yeah, you got browns.
Are you doing lip though?
I don't know.
I told him that I want to put lips on him.
It scares me. I did my job and I looked at makeup tutorials before this so that I have an understanding of what to do.
Yes, research.
My brushes are mostly dirty.
Do I look like I should?
And what's going on?
Okay, so I'm just gonna dive straight in. So I'm just gonna zoom in.
There's a mascara in here, there's eyebrows.
I'm sorry if this isn't really in focus, but you know, we're trying.
There's
So
like more makeup in here.
I'm just gonna do eyeshadow and
Just
just
do eyeshadow.
watch me.
Just can't just do eyeshadow. You need to beat your face. I love that you're gonna have my commentary about it.
Yeah,
You need to go big as your house.
I already am home.
Ooh, he got you there, didn't
What
he?
would Jefferson?
Fuck.
Yeah, basically.
So we have the B by Bubby Beauty,
Bubs.
Bubs Beauty, BH
Wow.
Cosmetics. I'm not gonna bother getting up and zooming in because this isn't really try. And then we have the 88 color eyeshadow from
Yes.
BH Cosmetics as well. So we're just gonna dive in.
Christine would never go for that. And the fact that she works a government job probably wouldn't let her go for what she's.
Yeah.
Oh well, this still has very
Suggestion.
much blue in it.
Yep.
So I guess we're going for a blue look. But can we go to Popeyes too often?
Okay.
Tastes better.
Por eso, like, if
Oh,
you're
but
gonna
you
buy,
hit
like, if you're gonna buy fried chicken, why just not go to Popeyes? It's clearly the superior chicken.
I'm gonna be taking a different shade. I didn't even say which one. It's the dark chocolatey brown one.
Ooh, work it.
Mistakes haven't been made yet because since you're far away, you can't really tell.
But up close doesn't look like mistakes have been made.
Technically, but I'm gonna cover that up.
KFC used to be the best chicken.
Popeyes can
It's like,
At least Popeyes here. I don't know what's the difference between KFC and Popeyes in the States.
I hope it like KFC in the States is just better. It's like the the thing is, KFC here, the extra crispy chicken is actually damn good. But the original recipe is always this greasy, salty mess.
Because the original recipe is supposed to be like the good shit, but it really isn't.
It's not.
I love Popeyes so much. I want Popeyes biscuits.
I miss Kurt Cobain
So much. That's one of the best vines.
Ramon,
That's my favorite vine.
I feel like we're getting into I screwed up territory, but that's fine.
Mistakes.
What would Shangela do?
Jesus, take the wheel.
Hallelujah.
I look like a whore.
Yes. Yay.
It's fixable.
Mujer de la noche.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, fuck.
It's okay.
That's minimal.
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
What?
Mistakes?
No.
Not yet. What? No need.
Cutting my crease.
What crease? You got hooded eyelids.
I know. That's why I put it on until it marks, and then I just.
It looks like you did all that work for nothing.
It's gonna look great. Let's hope.
That's a thesis.
I think mistakes are being made, but he claims mistakes are not being made.
Is he trying to do a cut piece?
I think mistakes are being made.
Let me fail first, and then intervene.
Cause I'm like, he did all this work for
No.
pretty much nothing. Cause he like covered all of his
I didn't cover all of it.
90% of your work. What?
I'm building up its opacity.
Is it?
Pigmentation. What?
Like it's just a kind of meltdown.
Oh, I thought you were like, wait, you're incorrect.
That is not correct. Because according to the encyclopedia, Jimin starts kissing your neck.
And when even lower, you let out a soft moan.
Ooh. Fly, 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 fly. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Fly, fly, fly. Uh-oh.
When I'm getting ready for the club, I just listen to RuPaul.
Oh, fuck.
I mean, you can't make money on these anyway.
I know.
So, might as well incur the wrath of the demonetization gods.
And then this is probably just gonna get sped up anyways.
I love this song so much.
Oh god, we've already been going for like 17 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
You got in your eye, I'm sorry. Okay, you can continue working. Now if you get like fall off. Yeah.
I look crazy on camera.
I'm sorry.
That felt wet.
That looks like a skin condition.
Déjame. So you like?
I know you love me, baby. That's why you brought me here.
Smack!
I mean, he looks great on camera.
Yeah.
Sorry, do your highlights. Love your eyes. Job.
It's so
I think
good.
I did a good job. You know that I always struggle putting on lipstick.
It's so good.
So you're wearing like my absolute favorite lipstick, so I'm like extra proud that like you look really good in it. I think don't forget the janky, but it's fine.
Yes. Now we weeg.
Here I am with Mama Roo, American, just like you.
They're off them, so it's gonna expire anyway. So that's why I don't mind the use. I don't really do it. If it's helping you serve a purpose, pues.
That's a woman.
Yo iba a traerle hasta mode and shit para ponerle la peluca, pero I thought it was like really extra.
I mean, isn't extra the whole point of this?
This wig looks pretty real.
Yeah.
Then again, I take really good care of my wig, so it's fine.
Obligatory narcissistic montage? Are you Christine? Are you okay?
Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. I already gave you close-ups, so I'll give you some more if you want. Nobody wants this, but I did the top shadow look. Hayley did my liner, mascara, bottom lashes, lips, contour.
Hi.
Hair, highlight.
Eyebrows. Ignore party.
No lo reconocí. Wow. What an icon.
I used up all of my good lipstick skills on a wig. That's why my lips look. But it's cool, crackhead is mine.
I look so big al lado tuyo.
I mean, you are.
Wig flies off.
What is going on
This
with
is
that
natural.
foundation match?
This is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed Monday's video. If you haven't, there will be a link to it in the description down below. Also a link to Hayley's social media. Thank you so much, Hayley.
You're very welcome. I love turning you into a drag queen.
Well, this isn't technically a drag queen. This is like girl on the run. Not really. This took forever. It's dark out, but you can't tell. So yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. You know how Winston did drag? It was my turn. The one that's on my hands, they're really drawn up for John to get a lot. Get a quick shot. Hi.
I say twice because with 7 seconds ago, you were 3 of 17 from the floor. Now you had 16 assists.
Aren't you happy?
In the corner, how did you get
I think he looks beautiful.
which was fun.
He looks great. Come on.
You want me to say this? I never thought that these words would come out of my mouth.
But
But your brother makes a better woman.
espérate.
I will remember eso que dijiste.
Espérate.
I get you special food, okay?
Lo importante.
Did they feed this, you know?
Yes, it's called contouring.
But I was gonna say that you look like me when I have the.
Exacto.
Pues si sé que wisdom makes a better woman, you're also insulting your wife.
You look like a drag queen who just uses his gente. Lisa Cuente. Liza Minnelli, wait.
Pero no me di cuenta, tengo básicamente el mismo makeup look que te hizo.
Chatty, Chatty.
Sí, míralo, es más o menos lo mismo, excepto que los labios no. Crap.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below what do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think? Yeah, I'll remember
Could
that.
we get copy striked?
Maybe. But remember
I don't
that.
think she would.
Remember that I love y'all so much, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye!